Stop using your LG Smart TV like a beginner. In the next 10 seconds, I will show you LG magic remote tricks that can make your TV control 2 times faster. These tricks are 100% real, practical, and already used by power users. First trick is the magic pointer speed control. Most people do not know that you can control pointer speed. Go to settings, then go to general, then go to accessibility, then go to pointer options. Now increase pointer speed 1 step at a time. This makes navigation faster and more accurate. Second trick is the scroll wheel shortcut. The wheel in the middle is not only for scrolling. Press the wheel once to select items quickly. Long press the wheel to open hidden context menus in apps like YouTube and Netflix. Third trick is the back and home button combo. Press back button and home button together for 2 seconds. This instantly clears background apps and improves TV response speed. This works especially well on older LG Web OS versions. Fourth trick is quick input switching. Long press the input button. You will see all connected devices instantly. No need to open full menu again and again. Fifth trick is voice command power. Hold the microphone button and say simple commands. Say open YouTube, say increase brightness, say search movie name. LG Magic Remote Voice Control works best when TV is connected to stable Wi-Fi. Sixth trick is app quick launch. You can assign apps to number buttons. Press and hold number 1, 2, or 3. Now select your favorite app. Next time, just long press that number. The app opens instantly. Seventh trick is power saving optimization. Go to settings, then go to system, then power saving, then go to set time. Set auto power off properly. This improves long-term performance and remote response. Eighth trick is remote repairing. If pointer lags, repair the remote. Press back button and home button together for 5 seconds. Then point at TV and press scroll wheel. Final pro tip. Keep TV software updated, use fresh batteries, avoid signal interference from 2.4 GHz devices. If this helped you, subscribe to Tech Vibes for more smart tech tricks.